Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing gear. Check speaker impedance and power so you don't overload the amplifier. Once confirmed, keep the master volume at 0 and power everything off to avoid pops. Next, connect source outputs to the amplifier inputs with the correct cable type, RCA for consumer, XLR or 1/4 for pro. Run speaker wire to the correct terminals, observing polarity. Make sure connections are tight. This first set of actions prevents damage and sets a safe baseline for testing. Now focus on signal flow and gain staging so you get clean sound without clipping. You choose the input channel, set the amplifier's input sensitivity or gain to a low starting point, and play a test signal. Once done, route the source through any preamp or DAW to the amp input and verify signal LEDs or meters show activity. Make sure tone controls are flat or bypassed for an honest baseline. Then gradually raise gain until you reach useful level without distortion. Finish by bringing the master volume up slowly to a normal listening level while you fine-tune gain and tone controls to taste. You'll hear how small adjustments change clarity and punch. Once done, test with multiple tracks and realistic levels to confirm consistency across material. If you encounter hum, no output or distortion, power down and recheck cables, speaker impedance, ground connections, and that no mute or protection mode is engaged. That troubleshooting step usually fixes the common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.